Hello my dear students, welcome once again to our online class. In our previous class, we have already completed the chapter heat. Today, in this class, we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter. So, let us discuss the exercise. So, come to number 1, state the similarity and difference between laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. First, the similarity. Both are made of glass and consist of long, narrow glass tube. At one end, both of them have bulb. Bulb of both the thermometers consist of mercury. Celsius scale is present in both the thermometer. So, this is all about similarity. Now, next, the difference. A difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, that temperature range in clinical thermometer is from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius, and temperature range in laboratory thermometer, that is minus 10 degree to 110 degrees Celsius. Number 2, clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the human body temperature. Laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature in laboratory. Number 3, it has kink which prevent the immediate backflow of mercury. In laboratory thermometer, it does not have kink. Next, number 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulator of heat. Answer: conductors of heat, that is iron and copper, and insulator, that is plastic and wood. Next, number 3, fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its dax. The answer is temperature. Number B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dax thermometer, clinical thermometer. Number C. The temperature is measured in degree dax. Answer is Celsius. Number D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dax. Answer is radiation. Number E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of dax. Answer is conduction. Number F. Clothes of dax colors absorb heat better than clothes of light color. Answer is dark. Now come to next, number 4. Match the following. In column 1, that is land breeze blows during. So the answer is land breeze blows during night. Sea breeze blows during day. Number 3, dark colored clothes are preferred during winter season. And number 4, light colored clothes are preferred during summer season. Number 5. Discuss why wearing more layer of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer: more layer of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between layers. As air is bad conductor of heat, it does not allow the escape of heat from the body. Next, number 6. Look at the picture and mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection, and by radiation. So here the answer is first one, the process of convection, that means in liquid. Next, the process of conduction in case of solid, and from the candle to the container, that is by the process of radiation. Next, come to number 7. In place of hot climate, it is advised that outer walls of house to be painted white. Explain. Answer: in places of hot climate, it is advised that outer walls of the house to be painted white because white color reflects back most of the heat that is incident on it, as white is poor absorber of heat. This helps in keeping the house cool. Next, number 8. 1 liter of water is at 30 degree Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degree Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be option 1 80 degree Celsius, option B more than 50 degree Celsius but less than 80 degree Celsius, option C 20 degree Celsius. Option D, between 30 degree Celsius and 30 degree and 50 degree Celsius. So the answer is temperature of the solution is between 30 degree Celsius and 50 degree Celsius. That means option D, because hot water lost the heat and simultaneously cold water gains heat. This keeps the temperature in between 30 degree and 50 degree Celsius. Now come to number 9. An iron ball is at 40 degree Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degree Celsius. The heat will, option A, flow from iron ball to water, B, not flow iron ball to water, or from water to iron ball. Now option C, flow from water to iron ball. Number D, increase the temperature of both. Answer option B, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball, because both of them have the same temperature at 40 degree Celsius. Next, come to number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, option A, becomes cold by the process of conduction. Option B, becomes cold by the process of convection. Option C, becomes cold by the process of radiation. Option D, does not becomes cold. Answer, the answer is D, does not becomes cold, because wood is a bad conductor of heat. Now come to number 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that option A, copper bottom makes the pan more durable. Option B, such pans appear colorful. Option C, copper is better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Option D, copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. So the answer is option C, copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. So students, this is all about today's exercise. We will discuss next chapter in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you.